We all know that we're supposed to wash dishes after every meal, rinse them off, put them in the dishwasher as we go.
Blah, blah, blah.
But we all drop the ball sometimes, and then we have these pileups. I like to call them dishasters. Not everything fits in the dishwasher, or you've got to hand wash more than one or two sink loads. Nightmare, right? Well, here's how I fixed it. I took most of our plates, bowls, cups, and silverware out of circulation, and I'm storing them in a high out of reach cupboard. Don't tell my family. Nobody knows they're there. Comment below on how many place settings you need from day to day.